Okay, Matt's Garage, let's do an unboxing. Tom's Bronco parts to the rescue. You saw the video where I discovered that my doors and tailgate were not in the condition I would like them to be in, and I don't have the time to invest to make them right. So the easy call was to call Tom's. He had them there 2 days later. That was like a month ago, and I'm ready to unbox them. You're supposed to unbox them within 24 hours. I failed to do that. But let's unbox them and see what kind of condition they're in. That's right. That's two. I'm gonna lay this on the ground so pull it out without screwing. All right, that's how it comes packed. Cut that kind of carefully because I want to put it back in the packaging while I'm not working it. Oh man, it's a beaut. It's a beaut. So that is a new door from Tom's. Let me show ya. Just perfect. Perfect. Love it. Let's do the tailgate. Dude, I didn't even realize it comes with the it comes with some things, weather shield. Cool. One less thing I gotta buy later, man. Nice thing about those is you get the, I got the one with the window frame. They come with a boltable window frame, which is nice because I'm gonna use that window frame to create a template to get my killer angles there, right? This is the recommended unboxing process from the Tom's website. All right, that looks pretty good. Let's lay this on the box. Oh yeah. There you go. Let me show you up close. There you go. Brand spanking new tailgate, man. Oh, that's gonna save me a ton of time. Thank you, Tom's. Appreciate it. So that's that. You know, sometimes we forget how lucky we are being Bronco guys because the aftermarket support is just ridiculous. I mean, vendors like Tom's sent me a new tailgate 2 days after I ordered it. So it's pretty cool. I just got to do the work of assembling this body, which has just been, you know, you saw me, I got pretty, you know, lost a lot of confidence and momentum, but thanks to these parts, I'm motivated. Let's get on it, get going, finish this thing. At least finish the body for now. Jeez. See you next time on Matt's Garage.